Yo, what is the deal? This is your man Frank Dutch right here. I'm back at y'all with another video, man. And today, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to record in Pro Tools first, man. Cause I noticed, right? A lot of these interfaces that's not like Universal Audio or whatever, a lot of them are coming with a couple of different DAWs, but one of those DAWs being Pro Tools first, man. So I wanna show y'all how to, you know, kind of set it up right quick and get the record. Especially you guys that wanna, jump into Pro Tools, you know what I'm saying? Pro Tools first is a good version of Pro Tools to start off with, you know what I'm saying? So without further ado, man, we're gonna get right to it, man. Let's go. All right, so once you installed it, you're gonna get this little icon down here and you wanna click on that. And it's gonna go through a series of scans and different things for your plugins and files and all that type of stuff. What it's basically doing is it's basically scanning for all your plugins and your interface, like the type of interface you have and all that type of stuff. So depending on how many plugins you have, it's gonna take some time. All right, so once it opens up, you met with a screen like this right here. It's basically the dashboard where you name the session, or you can pick a template from the many different templates that they have here according to the type of music that you're doing. They actually have a podcasting template, which is dope. But if you don't want to use any of that, you can uncheck that right there and name it whatever you, gonna call the song or whatever case. Once it opens up, you're gonna have your mixer window, which popped up on my screen and I'm showing y'all, and then you have the actual editing window. Now the first thing that you want to do, you don't have to do this every time, but you definitely want to do this just like to make sure everything is, set up right, because sometimes you'll open this thing and you won't have no sound. Go to setup, go to playback engine, and you just want to make sure that your interface is picked. You know what I'm saying? Because it might be on any of these, you know what I'm saying? It might be on Pro Tools aggregate, or it might be on the built-in one. Make sure it's on your interface, you know what I'm saying? And once we make sure of that, we good to go. So then you want to hit Shift Command N. That's gonna bring up your new track dialog, right? Now you can add as many, as you need or whatever by clicking the plus or minus sign or whatever. You can change the type of track that you need, you know what I mean? All the way over to, if you need a stereo type of track. So yeah, we're gonna do like 2 mono tracks, 3. Let's do 3 mono tracks. And yeah. Now, we got them in there. Now, if you already know what they're gonna be, you can go ahead and label them. I recommend go ahead and labeling them, because what happens is when you label them and you record, it actually names the file, the actual clip file that you recorded, whatever the name of the track is. So that, just a tip to stay organized. So once you added your tracks, the next thing you want to do is Shift Command I. This is gonna let you be able to import your, your beat or your, whatever music you're recording to. You know what I mean? So you navigate to it, click on it, click open, and it's gonna import right there. All right, so if you look at it right now, I hit play on the session right here. Check it out. These levels right here are way too loud. That level is way too loud to, be trying to record to. Because what'll end up happening is you'll turn the mic on and then, the beat is mad loud. You'll turn the mic up and it's bad. So we're gonna talk about gain structure right quick. This is what you want to do about that. We want to go ahead and navigate to our mixer window by hitting Command equal. And we're going to create another track by hitting Shift Command N. And we're going to create a stereo master fader. Now, that's going to let us know, pretty much where we're hitting at as far as levels is concerned. So what we're going to do first, we're going to turn this beat down a little bit. Right around there is a good level to record at, and you can get a good mic level without peaking. You understand what I'm saying? All right, now once we've done that, we're gonna go ahead and set the mic level. You know what I'm saying? So I'm using a Universal Audio Apollo, so I'm gonna open up console and I'm gonna show y'all what I'm doing. So this is my vocal chain pretty much right here. I got the SSL running unison to the console. And then I have a compressor, the 1176 on the insert. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna scale it back here a little bit, because you can see even here like I'm peaking a little bit, you know what I mean? So what I'll do is I'll bring it back here some. Let's take a look at our levels here. Let's bring this output back to around there. And now that we've done that, you might be thinking like, man, now it sounds kind of low to me. You know what I'm saying? That's when you go over to your headphones and you turn the output of your headphones up on your interface. You know what I'm saying? So, and now it's, you know, it should be loud enough. If it's not loud enough for you at that point, you might need to get like a headphone amp or something like that. You know what I mean? They don't cost that much. Matter of fact, I'll post the link to one down in the description for y'all. But once you've done that and you got the levels clean, you're not peaking in or anything like that, man, you are ready to record. Yeah, you can check my levels. Oh, you can check my levels. Oh, you can check my levels. Oh, you can check my levels. This is Pro Tools First, so check my levels. Let's take a listen to what we just did. It'll still do it. And if you look here, you can see what my level is hitting on the microphone. You can check my levels. Oh, you can check my levels. That's a nice spot. You can check my levels. Oh, to be at. You can check. That's a nice spot to be at to begin mixing. You don't want to be peaking on all the levels, and then once you start adding the different processing and stuff like that to it, thinking that you fixing stuff, you actually really messing it up. Like you really making it even worse because you're pushing the levels even harder with compression. You pushing the levels even harder with the EQ. You pushing the levels even harder with reverb. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, practicing good gain structure is very important, bro. So yeah, man, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, man. I hope this video helped y'all, man. Happy recording, man. Y'all be cool. How y'all be cool, man. Don't let nobody tell y'all how to be cool, nigga. Peace.